This is the ESHLDTY 12 outlet RGB power strip tower. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get an instruction booklet and the power tower itself. There are 12 outlets, so 4 here, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. There's 3 sides to it. You'll notice how the outlets are staggered like that. So if you have wall warts, one can face out this way and the other one face out that way. You have a phone holder on the bottom here, just to rest your phone in there like that. I'll demonstrate that a little bit later. And you also have USB ports here, 3 standard USB ports and a USB-C port there. You can see the other outlets there and there. Power switch, rubberized. It is also lighted. I'll be showing that to you in a moment. And I mentioned RGB. Yes, indeed. All of this white going around here. The strip up, the top, and even on the back has RGB lights that you can turn on or leave off if you want. And there's even a convenient little strap here so you can carry it around. Also, the cord on the back has a nice ball and socket type mount like that, so there will never be strain on the cord like that. So now what I'd like to do is tell you a little bit more about the unit, and then of course I'll plug it in. I'll show you the RGB and we'll go from there. This is a standard power strip with 12 outlets. It'll handle 15 amps or 1875 watts. It has a 2000 joule surge protector built into it, and it's IPX6 waterproof. I showed the power switch and how it's rubberized, so this can get wet. You don't want to submerge it in anything, but if it gets a little rain on it, something like that, that won't be a problem at all. The RGB lights in it have different modes. I'll be showing you that in a little bit. And the USB ports, if we come back around here, the USB-C port on here is 20 watts and 5 watts each port here, so you get about 3 amps worth of regular USB there. So now let me get this plugged in, show you the RGB. I'll show you how the phone holder would work and all that. So with the little phone holder extended, I can take my phone and just stick it right in there like that, and I can just rest there as such, provided you don't have anything plugged in on that side. USB cable, of course. So just to give you the idea on that. Oh, and of course you're not using that, that just folds right in as such like that. There is the lighted power switch there. It's a white LED, which is quite interesting because it's something you don't normally see. Of course, any of the outlets on here are going to work just like any old outlet. And just go ahead and plug that right in there and it lights up. Everything's good right there. So you can plug in anything you need all around that, and with the staggered plugs like that, you know, you can put wall warts different ways. Let me show you that. So with wall warts like this, for example, I can just take that and plug it in. This one I have here also, I can just plug in, and that's not even a problem. But some of them are like really long, and what's nice is if they are, you know, it goes out, it can go out the other way, as you see like that. And that's on all 3 sides. So you'll always be able to plug in whatever you need to there. And now we've come to the RGB. There's 2 zones, the top zone and everything else. So I can press that, and that'll turn on just like that. And that's fine. Press again, now all the rest lights up. Press again, and we have different colors. So it can be red, and this goes all the way around, as you see, back also, the whole thing like that. There's green, there's blue, there's orange, purple, yellow, and now we have multicolor mode. And now we have another multicolor mode where it does other stuff like that. And you can see how the top kind of does its own thing there as it goes around. So that's definitely pretty neat. And now we have sound mode. As you see, when I speak, it goes up. So if you had music playing, or something like that, then as you see, it'll react with the sound. And if you wanted these lights off and just the top, you can certainly do that. And now just the top goes. So you can just have that do its thing and leave the rest unlit if you wanted. Or we can turn that back on. And in the sound mode, we can do the same thing. So now when I speak, it's just the top that goes like that. Almost has like a Knight Rider effect kind of thing going on, which is kind of interesting. So anyway, that's real nice just to add all of that bling. I'm going to put it back on the kind of chasing lights mode. That was pretty cool right there. And let me shut the lights out. I don't know how well the camera's going to focus on it. It tends to go a little out of focus with lights like this, but we'll give it a shot. So now you can see what that would do. Definitely a cool effect. Here's the sound mode. Once again, like that. And the solid color modes. And back to this mode here. And then the one I was on previously, like that. So pretty neat display all around. Great for use with a gaming PC. And on top of everything else, this also has an impressive 5-year warranty. So once again, this was the ESHLDTY 12-outlet RGB power strip tower. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.